Here we are at the Hoover disc golf course. Matt's practicing his throw. It's a nice free activity that we enjoy doing, especially when the weather's nice. We love the Hoover Reservoir. It's a great place to walk around and do the disc golf. So we plan on playing the field, which is all that plus some. And we're about to start our first official hole. So we'll see you in a bit.
Go ahead.
The woods!
There he is. Testing the wind. And he goes. And almost. That was his goal. However, did not make it this time. Wind must have been too strong. He always makes awesome long shots. Not bad. What can I say?
Keep it going.
Look at that roll.
It's awful.
And it stops.
Try again.
Okay. Tree. Not quite.
Boost. Get as many turns as you want when no one's around.